Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can archive someone on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in your device. Then, find the ID which you want to archive. Then long press on it by tapping on it. After that, you can see the option of archive at the top. Tap on it. So, this is how you can archive someone on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.